Welcome back. Now that our meeting has been set, we can come back to this screen, and what we can do is we can click Start This Meeting. Now you'll find the open link to this meeting by going to this section, which is My Meetings, and you'll see it here in this area. All you'll need to do is to go to this Start link. You'll be starting the actual online meeting. And when this happens, Zoom is going to start the process of opening up software that's going to download to your personal computer as well as interact with your browser. You're then going to click Open Zoom Meetings. Now, you may want to click this link that says always open these kinds of links in the associated app so that you can save time on this process. Now, for the purposes of this course, we're going to go ahead and we're going to enable this link because we're going to be doing this more than once. We're now going to click Open Zoom Meetings. Now, we've enabled the recording, so the recording is now being conducted as we speak. Now, one of the things that we have done for the purposes of this video is we have disabled the video. If we want to enable our camera, all we'll need to do is to click on top of this icon and our webcam will then be enabled. Now, we can choose to join with our computer audio, and indeed this is something that your attendees and participants are going to go through also. They're going to be able to join with their computer audio, and you're going to see that Zoom is going to remind you that the recording is not going to include audio unless you click Join Audio. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on top of this button to conduct your meeting with your own computer audio. Now, all of your controls will be at the bottom of the screen. If you want to invite individuals to participate with you, you can click this Invite button and they'll be brought into your meeting. And what you'll do is you'll click this button. This is going to give you links or ways to send the invitation. What you can also do is you can choose the content that you'll be sharing, and you'll do that by clicking this button. This is going to give you the opportunity to choose the screens that you're going to be showing during your meeting. In fact, one of the things you'll see here is that there is a place for you to conduct the meeting using your mobile device. We can be even more detailed with the screen that we're going to be using, a particular portion of the screen, individual computer sound, or content from a second camera. We can also enable the chat for our participants. And what we'll need to do is to click this button, and we'll be able to type messages to everyone as well as to receive everyone. Now, when people type back to you, everyone in your group is going to be able to see these messages as they're being typed in real time. You have the ability to either stop or pause the recording by clicking this button. So if you're going to be coming to a place in the recording where you're going to have something that you don't want seen, you can pause the recording here in this area, and then you can turn it back on by clicking this link. Now, we've also discussed the closed caption option. And basically what this is going to do is this is going to give you the ability to either have someone type the notes as they're being conducted in real time, or you can type them here also. If we click this button, you'll then be able to see your controls for closed captioning. You'll also see here that you have breakout rooms, and this is going to be for your participants, not for your attendees to a particular webinar. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click this button once you've completed the presentation or the meeting, and you can click this link that says End Meeting. You can then assign a host to the meeting if you just want to leave it, or if you want to end the meeting, you can click this button that says End Meeting for All. Then Zoom will begin the process of getting your meeting recording ready. You'll then determine where you want your meeting recording to be housed. And then your Zoom recording will be present in the folder that you designated. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.